because my package is here from Blizzard. I've got my Gear Blizzard box here. So we've got a long box, got a huge box. So let's start with the small. And alright, so we've got the first thing, the oversized Hearthstone mouse mat. Paper, go away. Who cares? Ooh. Comes in a nice bag though. The Azrael Whelpling. Right? Ooh, cool, pretty nice. Wow, that's insane. Okay, we've got the light up Diranya. I reckon this is the cookbook. Who ordered this? Zenden. Zenden ordered this. Nice box. It's a Bastion box. It's a Bastion's hit box. And inside has the Ganymede plush. Quite cool. How do you open this thing? How do you open this thing? Okay, oh, we can slide open. Ooh, Ganymede comes in like that. Ooh. The Reaper mug in here. I have this bad feeling that this is Alicia's shot cups, but they're gonna be coming in pieces by the sound of it. This is the glass water bottle. Yeah. This is the Tracer mug, the Widow mug. Yeah, I can think you can see the Widow back. BlizzCon badge. I ordered this. I thought this was quite nice. Timing, I promise you I'll give you one. This is the one that's supposed to go to you. Woo! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11, that's right. Not so nicely packed. See, look at that damage. Terrible. This Funko, it's the Pentina colorway Widowmaker. Ooh, so nice.